What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Jay Spikes, and I'm back with another lit video, baby. Hey, man, listen, before we get too far into this, man, your boy been sick, y'all. Your boy been sick, man. I want to apologize for the inconsistency of the content, man, because I got so much content, but the other week I was sick with the flu. This week I was sick with my digestive system. And man, my computer was tripping. I had to order a battery for my MacBook. Had to order a new charger. It was down for like 10 days waiting on a battery and all this crazy stuff. Man, it's just one thing after another. But we're going to stay positive. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to the channel, man. Make sure you got that notification bell turned on all, man, so you won't miss anything your boy got coming. And, man, if you got any questions, any comments, or any opinions, man, leave it in the comment box below, baby, because I try to talk back as much as I can, eh? But listen, man, I hope God is blessing everybody, man. I hope everybody having a good day, enjoying their life, living your life to the fullest. It's a big, crazy, cold world we got going on right now, so everybody look out for each other, man. But we're in the Box Chevy today, man. We got a bunch of stuff going on. I ain't feeling too good. It's the weekend, so I'm finna try to get some stuff done with the Box Chevy as much as I can with the little energy I can, man. And yeah, y'all stay tuned. I'm finna share out what we got going on, baby. Yes, sir. All right, y'all. What we got going on today? This is what we got going on today. See what we got? We got a bunch of 2-aught welding wire up in here. You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. We're running that 2-aught welding wire. We're gonna run. I got 70 feet of the green for the hot, and I got 20 feet of the blue for the ground. I got 2 packs of 2-aught copper lugs in there, 3/8. Got another pack down over here. These come from Windy Nation, pretty copper lugs. I got my distribution blocks because we're gonna do a battery delete. You know, we run the headway bank, so we're gonna do a battery delete. So I think I'm gonna start trying to get this car wired up today. Got to wire the subs up. I got a little wire for the highs amp, and just a little leftover wire I had. I'm trying to run it to my highs amps, and we gotta run the door speakers. I also got the other 6.5 there in the house. I bought 6 more of the American-based Godfather 6.5s. And yeah, man, so I gotta take all these speakers out, get these speakers out, get this box out. I don't know if I got enough energy to do all that, man. It might be all the energy I have. But I'm finna try to get all this stuff pulled out and start doing some wiring on this car. And what I'm thinking about doing is running my power wire up under the car. And yeah, doing a battery delete, getting rid of this interstate bull crap. I already put my alternator distribution block on. I just set them on there just so I can keep cranking the car. I'm gonna put big 3. We got an alternator coming, and that's the last piece to the puzzle really that we got coming, besides some little small stuff that I got. But yeah, y'all, Box Chevy coming along, man. We got the console in there. We gotta cut these doors and put those 6.5s in and run all that wire throughout this car. Hook up the RCAs. But yeah, bring y'all along today, baby. I don't know what I'm gonna get done, but I'm gonna try to work all weekend if I can. It's supposed to rain tomorrow, so yeah, y'all stay tuned. See if we can make this thing make some noise. I know everybody waiting to hear this thing make some noise and see what it sounds like. Me too. Stay tuned, baby. Watch this heat. Don't go nowhere. All right, y'all. We're gonna go ahead. What we're gonna do now, I got the car jacked up a little bit. Try to get this, we gotta go ahead and run our 2 runs of power, which is our green. So, man, y'all gotta excuse me, man. I got cotton mouth, all kind of stuff going on. I already done used most of the ground, so I only got 1 more ground to put on. I got 2 grounds going from the lithium battery to the amp. I got 1 ground going from the battery to the frame of the car. I mean, to the body of the car. Then I got 2 grounds going from the battery to the frame of the car. So we grind it out, we grind it in, and all we need to do is run our hot wires and do our battery delete and alternator, man. And we all way in business. Even though we making noise right now, but we finna be all way in business, knocking those down. All right, let's get us 2 runs of this out. Thick stuff, you know what I'm saying? That thick stuff. Yes, sir. That thick stuff. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna run this up. Bring y'all back in a minute. Update. Got that wire running through there, y'all. I got it going through the bottom, and I got about 6 more foot left to pull up and through there. You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. We gotta put that battery delete box right here, and we're gonna run one wire straight from our high output alternator that's coming, and we're gonna run one straight from the battery delete box. So we're gonna be charging on all aspects. And I went down up under the car. I'll get up under there and show y'all. I want to go up under the car this time. So I got the wire running along the frame down here going up in there. And I drilled 2 holes over there at the bottom of my back seat. And we're gonna come right around. We're gonna come right around like that. Boom. Put my butchercollars in there so I won't cut my wire. We're gonna come right around this seat and come back through that old insulation like that and hook up to our battery back there. And then we're gonna take that ground right there. We already got it going down. It's already drilled through the frame at the bottom. And we're gonna take that ground that's right here, and we're gonna ground it to the frame too. We're gonna ground it somewhere to the frame. So yeah, try to make sure I stay clear of that exhaust. But yeah, I'm working, y'all. 2 runs of 2-aught welding cable. Yes, sir. Oh yeah, it's that good stuff. Oh yeah, no games. Trying to give it all the juice she need. All the juice she need, baby. Yes, sir. Stay tuned, baby. All right, y'all. Progress update on the wiring job for the day. Let's get this in there, baby. Show y'all what we got going. I got both of my runs from the front to the back. I already ran. I got one of my grounds going down to the frame. This was one of my grounds that I got a drill for the body mount right up under here with a trunk latch jet, trunk end jet. All right, let's keep on going around. I got that ground right there. Now you tell me if that ground there is good enough, baby. Yes, sir. You let me know. Now that's a ground right there. That's one of my frame grounds. As you know, I got 2 runs of hot, silicone down. It's all dry, so no water get in my vehicle. I ran up on the bottom, not in my car, making my carpet bulge up, none of that. I got it all ran up here, big 3, ready to go. I got 1 main hot coming in from the bus bars back to the battery. I got 1 main hot coming from the alternator, and I got another main hot coming from the bus bars to the alternator. So it's the big 3, and same way with the ground. I got a ground here coming from the bus bars to the alternator bracket. I got a small ground here made up of 2-aught welding cable that I'm gonna put right here like that. Boom. You know what I'm saying? If you can catch that drill, we're gonna upgrade that too. And then I'm thinking about putting another ground on here too. So man, we got big 3, and all we waiting on is the radiator. But as we sitting now, I also sketched up me a quick little battery delete box. You know what I'm saying? Something really cool, something where I can pull the lid off. You know what I'm saying, when I want to, and you know, whatever. But something real cool, real quick, just something to throw in there and get all this stuff together so I can be through with it. But yeah, man, we making progress. This all the wire we got left. Out of all that wire, out of 70 feet, that's all we got left at this moment. And it's looking really, really, really good, baby. Yes, sir. Look at that back there. It's looking good, y'all. Watch the heat. Don't go nowhere. Let's finish this up, y'all. All right, y'all. I done got it pretty much wired up for the day. Let y'all look at it. You know what I'm saying? Build my little battery delete box. Got one going back to the lithium battery in the back. Got one going to the alternator, one coming from the alternator going straight back to the battery in the back. Got a ground down there. Got a body ground. I got the ground in the back on the frame. And I think I'm gonna put one more ground over here to the frame of the car. But right now I just tested it out, man, and I can tell the difference in that lithium battery. It's not dropping voltage nowhere near like it was before I added that battery delete in it. I got one more ground that I need to bolt up, but I got my hots. You see my grounds back there. You can hear them out humming back there. So yeah, I think I'm gonna have to reroute my RCAs too, cause I got engine noise coming out of them now since I had that. It wasn't like that before I did that. But yeah, man, let me see if I give y'all a little. Let me see if I can give y'all a little taste of this thing one time. When I say this thing is slapping, hold on. Let's see if I can make it slap for you one time. Hold on. I ain't got the bass turned up. Hold on now. All right, now take two, y'all. I'll give y'all a little bit. I'll give y'all a little bit. Watch this. Watch this. Man, she's slapping, y'all. Watch it one time, y'all. Alright, hold on. I'm gonna give y'all another one. Hold on, I'm gonna bring y'all right back. Alright, here go another one, y'all. Getaway with Young Dog. Y'all, let's see some flicks real quick. Hey. I don't know if y'all can tell on camera, but that motherfucker whamming. You hear me? I don't know if y'all. Hold on, one more time. Watch this. Y'all, Oh, Lord have mercy. That song gonna whammy, I'm telling you. She whammy. It's already turned on my car, y'all. Look, we at 13.5, 13.4. My little wire on my alternator is a little janky. I'm gonna have to replace it. That little small wire. It broke this the other day. It's been breaking all these up here. But she making some noise, y'all. I'm talking about slapping hard. Slapping super hard. No games to be played. No games to be played. Listen, y'all, I just wanted to give y'all a little sneak peek of what that bang was doing, but man, I swear, I'm gonna take a lick for y'all and I'm gonna do a whole video somewhere in a good spot where I can really play it and play a couple songs and give y'all a demo of what this thing really feeling like, the pressure, the wind, all that, man. But I'm telling y'all, man, this ain't no joke, boy. This stuff right here ain't playing no game, boy. It turned up this car for real, for real. But I'm telling y'all, man, I told y'all, man, it's going down, man. We got them sundowns on that 12K. We got that lithium 96 amp hour. I ain't even got the alternator yet. The alternator ain't even on there yet, man. The alternator's still in the mail on the way, I guess. I don't even know, but we waiting on the alternator right now. Man, I'm telling y'all, man, hit that like button for your boy and that trunk slapping. I ain't even seen the footage yet, but I'm gonna go watch the footage and I hope it's picking up good enough to where y'all can see a little flex on that sun. I know the car rusted, you can't really see because when the car's shining, you can see that flex, you can see them dimples, you can see them waves in the trunk and all that. But with it rusty, you really can't see. But that sun flex, you can still see it flexing with it not even being clear. You know what I'm saying, or shining. But I'm telling y'all, I hope this video got some good footage on it, man. But man, listen, boy, big pressure, big pressure, big pressure. I ain't lying, y'all. I'm satisfied. It exceeded my expectations tremendously. Sundown, I'm in there. I'm locked in with them sundown. And until I blow that Taramps up, them Taramps is the truth. I barely got it turned up halfway, man, and it's slapping. Even on the EQ, barely turned up, man. But like I said, I'll give y'all a better rundown on it one day, real soon, man. But as we see right now, boy, she got some attitude and she slapping. That song, I wish y'all can hear this, man. I wish all my viewers can feel this right now up in this car, man. Y'all be like, whoa. I'm gonna get somebody else. I'm gonna get some more people, POVs and opinions, just random people opinions, man. And I'm gonna let y'all see, man. But man, listen, I'm tired. I've been working on this car all day, man. Y'all stay tuned, man. It's your boy J Spice. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, man. If you ain't already, man, I'm telling you, man, join the family, baby, because we turning up around here and we just trying to learn something and we just trying to keep these wheels turning, baby. So make sure you got any questions, any comments, any opinions, leave them in the comment box below, baby, because I talk back much as I can, baby. You dig? Y'all stay blessed. I'll see you on the next one. Watch this heat. Don't go nowhere, baby.